Hello everyone, this is my oral presentation video corresponding to level 2 of English. In the video I will tell you about my travel experience to a very beautiful and a representative place in the department of Nariño, as it is the reserve of the Lagoon of Tecocha. For this video has some guidelines, among which we have first my personal presentation, talk about my experience in the lagoon, talk about the climate within the area, and my recommendation to go to the site. This is my name is Ivan Arcos. I live in the city of Pasto with my wife, my daughter, and my pet Pecas. I like the cross-country walk and to all kinds of music. I gave way to tell you about my experience on the trip to the lagoon. It was at half-year vacation time because these days different events will take place due to the parties that are celebrated each year that place. We go with my family by road. The trip to the lagoon it's not very long. It's more or less an hour from the city of Pasto, 1 hour south. We decided to stay for a whole weekend. Since the area is in Paramount, the weather is often cold and windy, so it is always recommended to be very warm, prepared to rain, much rain. Close to the lagoon is the town of Encano, where we can find many hotels in which to stay, and in the area of port there are many restaurants. I wish the specialty of the area is grilled trout. Among the activities that done are trip by boat around the natural reservoir, and this visit the reserve of fauna and flora called Morro, in which there are ecological trains, and a viewpoint in the highest part of the reserve. The tour lasts approximately 3 to 4 hours, in which you can make contact with nature and enjoy a great place. To visit a beautiful place, I recommend booking the hotel ahead of time because being a tourist sector is frequent that they are always. For mainly waiting be very warm clothing because it's a sector in which it's very cold. That was my experience. I help them if they want to visit the beautiful place. Goodbye.